just had to stand one up.
Is it up?
Yeah.
What about now?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah. Hold it out like you had it. Wait, it's a car photo bothering me.
It's like you.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Church Street Northeast.
Yeah, I'm crazy. I might be. Girl, I might be. They say I'm crazy cause
Para nuestros graduados. Para obtener más información. También les pedimos que recuerde que esta es una ocasión formal. Por favor, abstenerse de...
Please stand. Tonight, the Ulster High School alma mater will be led by Mr. Matthew Donner, a member of the Ulster High School Board. Ulster High School class of 2023.
Well, that's just a jump back. Whoa. Nothing's bad.
Out there for Miami. He's a
everything you do makes me love everything about you.
Well, oh well, we're gonna have a ring today. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Quaysha'lae. I don't know, but I don't know what my thought process is right now. Like, you can't really tell, but I have a lot of stuff in my car. And I had a last minute notification that I had to move off campus, and I have not unloaded anything in my car. It's probably been a couple of weeks. It's probably been a month now. But I haven't been motivated to do it. So this video is gonna make me motivated to do it. But right now, I'm outside well, I guess I could tell y'all what I gotta do. So I'm gonna unload my car. I'm putting it in my auntie's house because my house has no room for it. But it is already standing. We're gonna ignore this edge down here that's standing up, so don't say nothing about it. My face is greasy, but I need to unload my car. I need to get gas because I'm on a 4th. I have literally been nowhere. I haven't got gas since I came back home, And I just haven't, when I go somewhere, I'm not necessarily in my car. I've probably been in my car like 1 or 2 times since I've been back. But I need to get gas. I want to listen to the car wash because the outside of my car needs to be cleaned. But I'm going to check the weather first because it's been raining a lot lately. And so I need to do that. I want to go to the store. I need to get some stuff. To set y'all up, y'all about to watch me struggle to get this out of my car. Oh, I want to go to Krispy Kreme. Y'all know they doing their little graduation thing, but they gonna still give me some donuts. I don't want no graduation donuts. I got a little coupon here that I'm gonna use, and they better give me my dozen donuts. But anyways, I'm craving some donuts so bad right now. Okay, I'm in the garage. It's not gonna make up the steps. It's a heavy trunk, and it has a lot of stuff in it from school, like Clorox and stuff. So it's not going to. My ponytail is wild, but we don't care. Clamp that. Yeah. Watch me struggle with this trunk. And
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I know y'all see this. I know y'all. Did y'all see? Am I crazy? I gotta go back and watch. And it's sitting on the tote. I need to get the tote out. Okay, I'm in the car. I know y'all seen them bugs. I can't even play with them today. So I just sat everything right there. And one of them totes actually need to go back to my house. I was gonna put it in the car, but that bug landed on it, so I'm definitely not doing it now. Okay, so the first stop is the gas station. My throat itch so bad. This is a lot of stuff in the car. I don't too much like it, but we're gonna do what it do. We're gonna make it do what it do, shall I say. But I'm about to get gas because we're not gonna make it to any of our other destinations without gas. $40. Man, I'm just glad gas is $2.99 and not $3.31 or $3.99. I just stop is y'all. I was about to get ready to get some food, and I forgot I got something at home, but I'm starving. It's 12:42. I've been up since like, I set my first alarm for like 9:45. Didn't happen. But I've been up since like 10:15, 10:30. Yeah, we're going to the next destination. I don't remember what it is. I think it's the car wash. I'm looking at car wash at first. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells so good.
You had a great day.
$7.99. I need some gin. Why? How you open it?
A few moments later.
Oh. Ah. Let me donate. Y'all know how to take a picture. They just is cold. They could have hit me with some lukewarm or something. It's okay though, because I'm still gonna eat it. I don't know if this part gonna make me video. Because I be looking when I be editing, I be like, why do you do that? Nobody wanna see that. Okay, y'all. I always say okay, y'all. It's a habit. What is going on? It's a habit. But I'm about to go in Walmart because I want to grab some stuff. And I really want some cereal. And we ain't got none. I really don't. When I go to Walmart, y'all, I got a pet peeve. I don't need, it's not even a pet peeve. I literally, okay, we're just gonna wear it. Do it look? Anyways, not a pet peeve. I don't know what to call it, but like, I don't like pushing buggies. Like, I don't. And like, I know there's some stuff I really want to get, like, and we really need. Like, I want some cereal so bad, and I want some milk. Cereal, milk. I need to get some marshmallows because I want to make some Rice Krispie treats. That's really the main reason I came in here. Dang, you gonna gas out the parking spot? What does that? Okay. That ain't got nothing to do with Quay. Milk, cereal, marshmallows. I don't know why. I had a Rice Krispie treat last night and I want another one so bad. Even though I got some donuts. So I don't necessarily need no Rice Krispie treat. Maybe I'll put that on. I don't know. I need to call my mom. I'm gonna see if there's anything specific that she wants out of here. Okay. I really hope y'all can hear me. It's really hot outside. And I'm leaving Walmart now. I literally went in there and got everything that I wasn't going to get. So I'm just gonna show y'all. So I got a new journal. Okay. I got a new journal. Oh that hurt my collarbone. Okay, so I got a new journal. And yeah, it's a new journal. There's not much to say about it right now. I'm just gonna get into it. And then I have a screen protector, phone case, and I got 2 of these vitamin waters. I had one the other day, and it was so good. It's so refreshing. Like, oh, they ain't with this. I love it. Okay. And the other flavors just ain't flavoring for me. And then it's hot. Then I got 2 Minute Maid juices. I ain't taking both of them out, but y'all. Yeah, this tropical punch, and I think I got a berry punch because I know my folks like that. But I'm about to. Somebody just called me and I was looking for a graduation ticket, and they got me a ticket, so I'm about to go pick up my graduation ticket. And it's tonight at 5. It's 3:10. Man, it's hot. I don't know what to do. It's so hot outside. But I'm about to go get this ticket, go to the house. Actually, tell my auntie some of her donuts, but I need to put this juice in the refrigerator. I'm gonna get it together, but I'm gonna hit y'all up whenever I get where I'm going. Okay, y'all, I look different. Okay, ignore. Man, I do not like this thing. I don't like nothing on my ears. I don't even like hair on my ears. She's driving me insane. I hope y'all can hear me because I'm not turning the air down. But I'm getting ready to go to graduation. I went home. I threw on a graphic tee. As you can see, it was very dingy on the camera. Black blue jean shorts, and some off-whites. Nothing major. Something simple.
you. Make me believe your love is
on even the easiest assignments is the very definition of being both a winner and a loser. When sitting down to write this speech, I knew that I wanted to talk about something that has meant a lot to me throughout my 4 years of high school, but also something that can apply to life after graduation. And I'm gonna be honest, all I can think of your tassels from right to left. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the state of Alabama and the Gadsden City Board of Education, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the Gadsden City High School graduating class of 2023.
So, it's after graduation.